If you want a powerful gaming rig, but your wallet says nope, then Zach's $450 build might be your dream come true. Zach starts with the Ryzen 5 3600 CPU, solid and reliable to this day. Next, the ASRock B450 AC 2.0 motherboard. It's got quad channel memory and all the AM4 features you need. For RAM, he uses Alloy Black's 2x8GB kit at 3200 MHz. Storage, Team Group's 1TB NVMe SSD. Plenty of space for all your games in 2024. Cooling is handled by the Thermaltake UX200 ARGB air cooler, keeping things chill. Powering it up, we've got an MSI Mag A555BN 550W PSU. Now, the pièce de résistance, the case. It's a dual-chamber fish tank look-alike from Apple PCQ, coming with 3 fans. Finally, the GPU, the 1660 Super from Zotac, brings this build to life. Total cost, just $437. Performance, a TimeSpy score of 59.56 and 165 FPS in Fortnite at 1080p medium settings. Zach even sold this beast for $550 on Facebook Marketplace. Not too shabby for a budget build, right?